In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect ClickUp with Microsoft Teams to streamline your workflow and keep all your team communication and tasks in one place. This integration is perfect for managing projects efficiently, staying on top of updates, and improving collaboration. First, make sure you're logged into the correct ClickUp account. Connecting the wrong account can create confusion between your personal and professional workspaces, so double-check before moving forward. Next, look at the left-hand navigation panel in ClickUp. Scroll down and click on the three-dot icon labeled More. This opens additional settings and features that enhance your ClickUp experience. From here, select Integrations. In the Integrations section, you'll see a variety of apps you can connect with ClickUp. Use the search bar at the top and type Microsoft Teams. Click on it and you'll be presented with clear connection instructions. Follow the on-screen steps carefully. You'll need to log into your Microsoft Teams account by entering your email and password associated with your team. This step is important because it grants ClickUp the permissions it needs to communicate with Teams securely. Once you've successfully logged in, ClickUp and Microsoft Teams will link together. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that the integration is complete. Now, with the two platforms connected, you can access Microsoft Teams features directly from your ClickUp workspace. This means you can manage tasks, track updates, and communicate with your team without constantly switching between apps. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated ClickUp with Microsoft Teams, creating a seamless workflow for your projects. This setup will help keep your team organized, connected, and productive. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating.